Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a VPS based on Ubuntu 20.04 and add a GUI to it. By following this tutorial, you will be able to run a full Ubuntu desktop on your VPS, accessible from anywhere. We will walk you through it step by step, so let's get started. First, you need to connect to your server. For this, you need a tool. We will use PuTTY. Open it and enter your server's IP address and port number, then click Open. Note that it is better to have full control of the server, so log in as root in the terminal. Since the default password is already set, usually you will not need a password. After connecting to the server and before performing any actions, it is recommended to update the list of available packages to the latest version using this command. Following that, we need to upgrade the old packages. Type this command. As you can see, the system will prompt you to confirm. So confirm it by typing Y. When you see this message, select the Keep the local version currently installed option and press Enter. Now that you have upgraded the old packages for greater server stability, it is time to install the graphical desktop environment. The graphical environment makes working with the server much easier. So use this command. Again, the system will ask you if you are sure, so confirm it. The next step is to install XRDP. This will allow us to connect using the remote desktop protocol. This command is used for this. The system will ask you for confirmation again. Confirm it. Open the DNS configuration file with this command. After it opens, find the line that starts with name server and change it to Google DNS for better reliability. You will be asked if you want to save your changes in Nano. Confirm it with Y. It is better to repeat the update and upgrade steps to ensure everything is ready. Following configuring DNS to access the Linux graphical environment, we install the XRDP service with this command. Next, for a secure connection, we need to add the XRDP user to the SSL certificate group. SSL ensures the security of your connection. As you know, the firewall does not permit connections to the server. So, to be able to connect to the server, we issue permission to pass through the firewall with this command. Then apply these changes. Finally, like any other setting, you need to restart your server to apply the changes. If you see an error message after rebooting, just click OK. Now, let's connect to the server with remote desktop connection on your computer. Enter the server's IP address and click Connect. If a warning message appears, click Yes to proceed and log in. Finally, enter the username and password you created earlier to log into the server's desktop environment. Congratulations! You now have an Ubuntu VPS with a graphical desktop environment that you can access from anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Linux and server-related tutorial videos.